As we enjoy the summer sun, let's not forget that the rainy season is just around the corner. And when it does, we never know when disaster might strike. That's why I want to share with you a must-have emergency tool that's small, portable, and easy to use: the portable water filter purifier. We've all heard the horror stories of running out of clean drinking water during emergencies. But what if I told you that you can have access to clean drinking water anywhere, anytime? With the portable water filter purifier, you can filter water from any source, from muddy rivers to contaminated wells, and make it safe to drink. And the best part, it's not just for emergencies. This portable water filter is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, backpackers, and even daily use when you're on the go. But here's the thing, many of us have big filtration systems at home, but they're not exactly portable or convenient to use during emergencies. That's why I love this product. It's designed to be taken with you wherever you go, so you can have access to clean drinking water even when the power is out. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, going on a camping trip, or just want to be prepared for any unexpected situation, this portable water filter is a game changer. Trust me, you won't regret having it in your emergency kit. Did you know that the Philippines experiences an average of 20 typhoons per year? And when these storms hit, it's not just the winds and rain that we have to worry about, it's also the risk of water scarcity. That's why I want to encourage you all to invest in a portable water filter purifier like this, which can help you access clean drinking water even in the midst of an emergency.